All right, buddy. Da. Well, rain again. So, always stop it and dry up for a minute, so. Hey, Milo. You want to say hi to the camera? Hey. Hey there. Just me and Milo out there. See, you're sitting down, bud. Milo left. Huh. Okay. This is short. Hey, kitty. Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Mlio. Kitty, 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 kitty. Pardon me here. I'm going to go. Yeah, you're still one. Sit in the box, bud. You sit in the box, buddy. Sit in the box. Milo. In the box right there. You want it there the whole time. I didn't see him in the box at the top there. Yeah, I saw. Oh, he moves. Yeah, I see him looking out there. Something. I said I'm done. Never been. Oh, fun back about the cats. You know, in their butthole, what they're smelling and their scent to know who someone is. Similar to dogs. That's interesting. Also, more than me. I think I'm just smelling his scent who he is. Yeah, it's just eating grass there. Yeah, grass. I bet it's getting improvements. I got you, buddy. I see you. Okay. I see you. There we are. I counted my feet. Got you, bed. Got you. Got you. Okay. Well, might be out there, but yeah. Yeah, but he just I got you, baby. I get you. You get you, get you. And shit. And get you. Get you, baby. Get you. Yes, you. Yes, you are. Yeah, I get it. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's not a good idea to do. Okay, buddy. You don't have time for this. Oh, try to reach there. I don't know. That's not a good idea. You're gonna reach there. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a beer bud. Say hello, Milo.